cross 2, right 3, 4, turn 5, hit 6, sway 7, 8, 2 counts, 1, 2, touch 3, lasso, 5, 6, lean to your right, left arm, 1, 2, switch 3, circle 5, both arms, then we turn 1 and 2, kick 3, 4, party 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yeah, fantastic job. Let's go to tempo. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6 out to your right. 1, cross 2, right 3, left 4, turn 5, hit 6, sway 7, 8, 2 counts, touch 3, lasso, 6, 7, and we go right and left, circle, both, 1 and 2, kick 3, 4, jump 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Wow, fantastic job. Let's try it without cueing.